At Think this week, Arvind Krishna pointed out a reality every enterprise deals with. Companies are stuck in functional silos: finance, legal, sales, back office. If you try to fix that by dropping a single AI agent into one of those isolated compartments, you only get a localized, marginal improvement. The rest of the business remains completely dark. The Watson X Orchestrate catalog currently serves as a library of pre-built integrations, but right now it operates as a shelf of disconnected pieces. The plumbing is there to connect to major enterprise systems like Salesforce and Oracle. Without a central composition layer, these giant platforms remain entirely separate. Acquiring individual agents without that composition layer leaves a buyer with a pile of parts. It fails to deliver the working multi-agent ecosystem they actually need to run their operations. Take North Bay Industrial Supply. They are a $180 million B2B distributor, and they have a Watson X Orchestrate tenant sitting completely empty. Their operations are fraying. Sales reps lose a third of their time every week to manual Salesforce hygiene, and their overall forecast accuracy is stuck at 64%. Because their systems cannot communicate, their top-tier accounts are sliding backward, and leadership isn't catching the trend until the revenue is already gone. On the left, isolated data nodes from sales and finance never intersect. To survive, North Bay requires the model on the right, a coordinated, multi-agent ecosystem where every stream feeds into one unified decision engine. They need a composition layer to make those connections, but asking a standard partner integration team to manually code and connect all those nodes takes months, draining the ROI before the project even launches. We built the solution that does the assembly for them. JANUS is a Watson X Orchestrate accelerator. It acts as an autonomous build layer. Stage 1 begins with the JANUS intake agent. In about an hour, it processes discovery transcripts to pinpoint operational pain points and propose a multi-agent strategy. Part 1 of the living document extracts the ROI, calculating how the architecture will recover 14,000 hours of sales rep time annually. The architect agent maps data pathways, creating a physical blueprint. This produces absolute clarity without writing code. Finally, the build and verify phase executes. JANUS automatically writes the agent code, runs a full evaluation framework in an isolated sandbox, and builds custom tools to bridge any gaps the catalog doesn't cover yet. Because the discovery, the blueprinting, and the coding are all handled by specialized agents, raw business chaos is translated into a verified, ready-to-deploy technical architecture within just 7 to 10 working days. During deployment, JANUS targets the exact catalog agents the architecture requires and pulls them directly into the buyer's own active tenant. The final ecosystem is completely transparent. Every artifact exists as native YAML and Python files. There is absolutely no runtime dependency on JANUS or IBM. The scaffolding builds the core structure, and then it completely detaches and dissolves. North Bay retains total control. They can modify, extend, or retire every single line of code, and they keep the entire custom evaluation suite forever. True autonomous building does not lock a buyer into a vendor. It grants them total digital sovereignty over a product built specifically for their needs. At the Collision Conference, Kareem Yusuf laid out the macro goal for IBM. He called it the ecosystem multiplier effect. The mechanics of JANUS make that effect automatic. Every single engagement pulls catalog artifacts off the shelf and deploys them into a buyer's tenant by default. This transforms IBM partners. Instead of acting as traditional, slow-moving integrators, they become high-volume catalog consumption channels. As the process scales across hundreds of partners and thousands of buyers, the deployment volume compounds. The catalog is no longer a list, it is a live procurement engine. JANUS is the engine that finally turns a static AI catalog into an economic consumption flywheel. This new category comes with a specific paradox. You can outsource your thinking, but you cannot outsource your understanding. JANUS takes on the thinking. It handles the heavy lifting of composing the agents, generating the architecture, and writing the code. The buyer perfectly retains the understanding. They keep the native code, the artifacts, and a fully functional ecosystem living entirely within their own bounds. It is time for partners to turn the flywheel, and for buyers to deploy the multi-agent ecosystems they actually need. Let's start the build.